Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll quickly be showing you how to roll over contract months on the QST trading platform. So QST actually makes this feature really convenient, and you can actually extend this to essentially every frame on the platform that's currently open. If you're unfamiliar with the terminology, a frame is essentially just any widget or window you have open on the platform. So for example, this price ladder we have open, this is considered a frame. If we open up a chart, the chart window is considered a frame. There's a bunch of different tabs on the platform on the bottom left, each contain their own frame, or if you've customized it yourself, you're probably already familiar with the framing system. As you can see, this snapshot quote is considered a frame. My order activity log could be considered a frame, so on and so forth. Now again, QST makes this really easy because it extends your forwarding of the contract month to essentially every frame on the platform if the parameters apply. So let's go ahead and I'll show you where this feature is located. If you head up to the top left-hand corner of the platform and you click on General and scroll down just a bit, you'll notice the Change Contract Month option. You can also use the Control-M keyboard shortcut, and that will automatically bring it towards you. Now you'll notice if you do hover your mouse over this, it will give you the note that this tool does apply to all the frames across this application. Like I mentioned, this is pretty much just any frame, any window that has a contract applied to it, such as our price ladder here with the E-mini S&P 500 of September 2019. Of course, this will be changed if you have multiple frames as well. So let's go ahead and let's get in this window here, and it will open up the change contract month window. As you can see, there's a couple different parameters we need to specify. First up, you have the symbol that you're going to actually be rolling over. Now, like I said, QST makes this really easy because you can actually do all of them at once. So if you do have multiple contracts that are trading within the same month, in our instance, September, for example, you can go ahead and just set this to all. You can specify your month here in the old month. Just click this drop down menu and find your trading month. So this will represent September. And then of course the year, this should probably be automatic. If not, you can just go in here. We're in 2019, of course. So we'll select U19. Then on the bottom here, this is your new month. So this is what we're gonna roll over our contract to. The next trading month for the ES is the Z, or the December month, so we can select Z here. And then of course we're going to select 19 again. This is the same year. If we're already in Z, then we might need to select the next trading month and then just change that to 20. But of course we're remaining in the same year here, so that doesn't apply at this current time. Now, like I said, you can do this for all symbols. So if you have multiple frames up and you have multiple different contracts and you're trying to swap them over, roll them over to the next month, you can just select all. Since we only have one on our screen at one time, we can just manually search. We can type in ES and go through that route, and it'll just change frames with the ES. So if we have a couple of charts for ES, it's just going to change those rather than maybe something like the E-mini Dow or the NASDAQ we also have open. That being said, if you're not familiar with the contract or you don't know the exact symbol root, you can always use the symbol lookup or the futures lookup tool. Pretty much just allows you to filter by exchange or different categories, the type of symbol, again, the contract month and the year here. You can also just start to type in here. You can even print this out if you like. We know what we're trading, the ES. We know our contract month that we're going to roll over to. So if you take a look and you just keep your eye on the price ladder right now, you'll see it is ESU19. Once we click OK here, it's going to automatically roll it over for us, and now we're at the ESZ19. Like I said, this can be used for essentially any frame on this platform that you need to manually enter in a trading contract month. And it can be used to apply multiple frames at once and change multiple and roll over multiple symbols at once. If you do have any question on this feature, please leave a comment down in the section below, or you can head over to our community forum. We'll answer questions there as well. If you're not familiar with the forum, there's a link down in the description to navigate there. Just got to sign up. It takes 2 seconds, and then you're free to ask as many questions as you like. If you do enjoy these videos, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content on QST, trading psychology, futures advice, and other trading platforms that we offer. And once again, thanks for watching, and we hope you did find this video helpful.